So we're going to drive off when it's safe. Do your checks, making sure it's safe. There's a car coming behind me. I put my signal on. I've got a car coming, so he's just gone past, and we're just going to do a blind spot check again, making sure it's safe, and I'm driving off. So we are following the road ahead. So I can see hazards ahead. There's no cars. I can also see the 20 sign flashing. So I'm just checking my mirrors, moving to the right, leaving enough space for the cars on my left. Check my mirrors after the last car, move back into the left, and don't go past 20. 18, 19 is fine. Yeah, not until you do not see the 30 sign. So the 30 sign is on the right hand side where the white van, the second white van, that's where the 30 sign is. So I'm still doing 20 because there's also a family learning centre on my left here.
At the end of the road, turn left, A73, B8058, Carlisle Road, then turn right.
So I've got past the 30 sign. I'm increasing my speed.